Syndeia Release 3.4 is a major step towards implementation of a practical open digital thread, with new integrations, new options for exploring the connections, and improvements to existing features. Let's look at Syndeia's new tool integrations first. These include Teamwork Cloud, Eris, Bitbucket, GitLab, and Confluence. Here in our Syndeia dashboard, we can see the contents of our Teamwork Cloud repository directly, without needing to load the SysML models into Cameo. Similarly, we can see and search products and parts in Eris PLM, software commits and files in Bitbucket and GitLab, and pages in Confluence. In Release 3.4, we can create reference connections to these new integrations. Expect to see model transform use cases supported soon. Behind these integrations are big changes in Syndeia 3.4's architecture. Syndeia Cloud, the server-based component, stores the connections Syndeia creates and provides powerful graph analysis of that network. In 3.4, we've added functionality so that Syndeia Cloud can talk to your network-enabled model repositories, not just for the new integrations, but many of the current ones, such as Jira, Jama Connect, Doors NG, and others. We have three main avenues to reach Syndeia Cloud. We've been demonstrating an existing local client, the Cameo plugin, and all the local clients, including Rhapsody and Standalone, remain fully functional. But we also have the Syndeia Web dashboard, and we have direct calls to the REST API. In the Syndeia Web dashboard, we can see the contents of those network-enabled repositories in a tree structure. See the model element properties, search them, and see what they are connected to, both intra-model relations, for example, between Jira elements, and inter-model relations, for example, from Jira to Bitbucket or Confluence. And we can create reference connections between all of the repository elements. We can see in this view a new capability for the REST API and the Syndeia Web dashboard. Another new feature, the Digital Thread Explorer, lets us interact with the digital thread directly. Selecting a Jira issue in the tree view, we go to Graph View and click Expand. We see the connections to other models, in this case Bitbucket and Confluence, which Syndeia manages, and connections within the Jira repository, which Syndeia pulls into the graph for visualization. Expanding any of these, we can see further connections, in this case to an Eris product, and we can use these nodes to access the element directly, assuming we have the right credentials. The same capabilities we see in the Syndeia Web dashboard are also available through direct calls to Syndeia Cloud's REST API, available to end users for their own custom scripting, notebook, and document generation applications. Syndeia's ultimate goal is to make that API a one-stop shop for all your system information, organized in a useful, navigable way, and the Open REST API comes with full documentation. Syndeia 3.4 also contains other improvements inspired by end users implementing MBSE on real projects. For example, some customers are managing Simulink models in GitHub. Syndeia can now work directly with those models. Syndeia clients can also see and connect to the contents of XML files, providing a new integration approach for tools where Syndeia doesn't have API access to the tool itself. Finally, Syndeia 3.4 is one of the first commercial tools to work with SysML 2.0 models. We can see and connect to model contents through the Syndeia Web dashboard. Adopting Syndeia as part of your interoperability solution makes digital transformation a practical reality. Future releases will add new integrations, support new authentication protocols, and demonstrate new approaches to DevOps-type workflow automation and process management. Watch our website or contact us directly to learn more.